Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Kubey Carve here with me for a quick maintenance video. And please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So let's get started. You're gonna need a bit driver to take this guy down, and T6 and the T8 Torx bit screws. So pretty straightforward, and let's get started. So just start with the handle screw right over here. Here you go. Feels like they Loctited a little bit, this guy. This is brand new. So I just noticed like a little bit of issue, like fit and finish issue. There's just a little ding over here, but this was brand new. So that's just that. Then you're gonna need your T8 and just disassemble the pivot screw on this back like so, because of course on this side I'm assuming it's gonna be keyed in, and I think we are pretty much done. Let me check this out. We can maybe use like some hard plastic tool just to push the pivot a little bit, but it doesn't want to move, which is fine. We can just disassemble like that. There you go. Oh yeah, of course, we've gotta do something like that. And this guy should come out like this. Perfect. Don't lose your stop pin, and we can proceed just to clean out the bearings over here, and this other one. They look like a ceramic ball bearing in a brass cage. I don't know what material is that, but anyways, just clean the inside of the ball bearing track like so. You can use a little bit of rubbing alcohol as well, and just soak a little cleaning cloth like that. Don't forget to close the bottle, because it's gonna evaporate pretty easily, and then just remove the grease and the gunk from those tracks. And I'm just gonna give a little bit of pass also here and also here. Here you go. We're gonna clean up the liners as well, like that. Nice steel liners. I guess these are steel. Yeah, for the price. I doubt it's going to be titanium. You have a standoff, simple construction, just 2 screws, pretty straightforward over there. And we're going to clean up also this side. And let's see, this guy, actually it's not keyed in, so interesting. I thought that guy was keyed in. So pretty much this guy goes in like so. So you align just the logo, and you can see there's a little bit of skeletonization going on. We're gonna need now the bearings like so, and we're gonna use some nano oil just to lubricate these bearings over here. So just like 1, 2, and like 3 drops, and then you got the blade in like that. And by the way, guys, I just briefly checked this knife before disassembling. I have to tell you, like, the action is I don't know, it's ridiculously good. So not much need to do what I'm doing. I doubt I can improve. I'm just gonna add just a tiny drop on the detent ball. I doubt I'm gonna be able to improve the already fantastic action of this really cheap knife. This is $40, like $50, so it's not that expensive, I mean, and it's absolutely blew me mind-blowing. I mean, the action on this guy, just stellar. For the price, fantastic. We're gonna use a little bit of blue Loctite for this pivot screw, so it doesn't go anywhere, not the red one. And we're gonna just tune it in right in a second. Just flip it over, remove the tension, switch the bit, take the T6, and yeah, not gonna do the Loctite on this one, and just screw this guy in like so. Nice and tight, don't over tighten it, of course. And now let's just, yeah, this guy needs much more tightening of the pivot, which we're gonna do right now. Look at this, oh yeah. So I'm just gonna crank it down, all the way down, all right? So blade is perfectly centered, flies open. So let me just do a tiny bit less, something like that. So the blade is still centered. Guys, I mean, check the action on this bad boy. It's absolutely smooth. Look at this. Really cool. Push button. Pff, flies open. Glides closed. Light switch. Check. You can do like maybe, look at this. Guys, this is a fantastic budget knife. Look at this. Gorgeous. Absolutely fantastic. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.